Okay, today we worked with the energy equation defined between 2 points in a flow system, going from point 1 to point 2, P over gamma plus Z plus alpha V squared over 2G, all evaluated at point 1, plus any energy added by pumps, is equal to the same Bernoulli group, P over gamma, that's P2 over gamma, plus Z2, plus alpha 2 V2 squared over 2G, plus energy lost to turbines, plus energy lost to the head loss, half to balance. I'll put a 1 on the alpha over here. What I want to point out is this represents sort of a change in the mechanical energy. So this is mechanical energy at 1. And this group represents the mechanical energy at 2. And so these other terms, energy that's added by pumps, extracted by turbines, lost to friction, represent changes in the energy as you move along the flow from point 1 to point 2. Now, this is in the flow direction. This is important to note. Flow is from 1 to 2. Otherwise, everything needs to be reversed. Now, what we introduced today was the idea of the energy grade line. The energy grade line, EGL, is the energy grade line, and the EGL is just this mechanical energy. So it's P over gamma plus Z plus V squared over 2G. And so if Z is the physical position of your pipe or your channel, then P over gamma plus V squared over 2G represent the elevation. I'm going to start writing that over again. Elevation of the EGL above the pipe or conduit or channel, whatever it might be. And so with this we can track how the energy changes in a system. And I'm not going to go through it formally, but you can refer to the lecture from today to think about a system where you have flow going between two reservoirs with surfaces at different heights. And defining the energy grade line here would be a slope down, loss to turbine, slope down. Oops, I didn't leave enough to drop down at the end. This would be the head loss to the turbine. These two together, the sloping parts, represent the head loss, and then we have a loss at the expansion at the downstream end, which is something we talked about more extensively in lecture today. So the energy grade line is just sort of a useful construct to think about how energy is changing in the system and where drops in energy occur, or in other words, where mechanical energy is lost.